What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a center console on a 2009 Ford Ranger FX4. It's -1 out right now in Canada, so this should be fun. Let's get started. So this is a 2009 FX4 4-liter automatic, and it's got the nice center console and with the nice armrest there. Our sponsors today are Tim Hortons and Ford, because if it wasn't for Ford, this video wouldn't happen because all the parts are breaking. So thanks. So here's the wicked center console, and the problem we have here today is, oh, look at that, it's broken. Yeah, let's see what we got here. So there's a crack there, as you can see, and there's the mount for it on the center console, so that's great. That's broken. So our first step today is gonna be clearing our workstation, making a nice clear workstation. So pull all the seats forward. So there we go. So you want to have lots of room around the mount for the armrest. And the part I ordered was a replacement part for the console. So here it is. It's a lot better because it's solid metal, and this one that Ford gives you is plastic, which is why it cracked. So today we're gonna throw it in here and see how that works. Alright, so what you're going to need for this installation: a broken armrest, the part that I ordered. So this is from Dorman. The part number is 924834. I'll put the link in the description. And yeah, so the tools you're going to need are the armrest, the part, an instruction guide that came with the part, an overpriced parts bill. These are some of the bolts that came with it. I'll get to that. You're going to need a 6mm Allen key. You're going to need a grinder and some safety protection. And you're going to need a socket set. And the socket you're going to need is an 8mm socket. And so you can put that on your socket set or a drill, however you need. So yeah, let's get started. So you're going to take your drill. You're gonna come over here and see these caps here? The bolts for the armrest are behind that. So what you got to do is you got to pop those off, and then you'll get to the bolts. There's one. The other side. Alright, so there, your armrest should look like that. So now we're going to pop the bolts off. Make sure they don't fall in there. Bolts look like that. 8mm. There will be 4 of them. Alright, let's go to the other side now. Alright, so that's done. So now that the bolts are out, this pops off just like that, as you can see. So here's the pivot point that the armrest goes on. this pivot axle. So what I did with the grinder was I cut that right there, because the replacement part, you don't need this, the bolt here, and you can't really take it off. It's like one solid bolt, so I cut it in the middle. So let's go over here now. So after you cut it, it should look like this. The reason why I have two, because I actually bought the plastic replacement part from Ford and it's broke again, so I'm not doing that anymore. So this is what it looked like when you uninstalled it, and once you cut that, it'll look like this. No bolt. Alright, so now we're going to put this onto the old one. So let's get that set up. And all these little bolts that came, you see here, the kit that you order from Dorman, they'll give you all the stuff. And you can get that kit from Napa. They'll ship it to you. So that's where I got it. So let's install this thing. Alright, so now this pops off just like that. So there's the broken part, as you can see there, so that's pretty wicked. So here's the dusty console part, and then you just take this one, and boom, fits on just like that. There's the metal one for you. So I'm going to fasten this to this axle right now. This will sit right in there. So let's get to that. So you're going to want to do this in the kit. They give you this plastic square washer. Put that on the inside. Put the other one here inside. And then the order of the washers on here. You have your plastic washer, like so. Little metal washer. There you go. And then another plastic washer. So it'll look like this. Let's focus on that. Boom. Okay. Let's do the next thing. So there's your other one like that. So now, what I want to do, for one, know how to make a YouTube video, because I sure don't. And two, get this plate set up. Here. Oh, that's awesome. That's wicked. Okay. So this, let's get it set up right here. Boom. So that sits in there like so. And you take these bolts that you've done up for yourself, and they go in there like so, and they thread into the plate. So the plate is threaded, and then you can throw those in there like that. This is where you take your 6mm Allen key and go to work. Okay, so there's the plate. It's in, as you can see. It's moving good. Pivot point works. So let's throw it on the armrest now. Alright, so that's done. Now, let's go put that console back. Alright, let's take a look at what we've done. Caps are on, bolts are in. Let's check out this armrest. Sweet. That works perfect. Nice and solid. It's not going to break. If you want to prevent yours from breaking, if it's not broken yet, I'd suggest putting a block or something and gluing it to the latch for there. That way it takes the pressure off, because it all just suspends on that one pivot point, which is why it breaks back there, which is why you always have to go back to Ford and pay them ridiculous amounts of money. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give our sponsors Tim Hortons and Ford a like, and BC Ranger Club a follow. And yeah, have a good one.